Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, OneDrive the account you signed in with doesn't match the account you're syncing. Control panel. Click Control panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Microsoft OneDrive. Click Uninstall. Click Yes to continue. Right-click Start button, Run. Copy path from description and paste it. Click OK. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Open my OneDrive folder. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.